Hey everybody, and welcome to AppIt, the show where we review one iOS app at a time. Today we're talking about the app Deliveries. This app is a one-stop shop to track all of your package deliveries from a multitude of carriers in one place. So let's check it out. Deliveries is laid out really nice. Each item is a package and it is color-coded based on the delivery method used. So, for example, brown items are UPS. Cream items with blue text is United States Postal Service. Cream items with that brownish, orangish text is actually an order from Amazon.com. And there are also packages that can be delivered and tracked through FedEx and DHL as well. Those are color-coded purple and yellow. When you get into the application, it's very easy to scroll around and tap on any item. When you get there, you see the tracking number, when it was last checked from the website, its current status, and even a map of the package in relation to where you are, and the delivery date that's estimated as of this current time. You can also archive the delivery if you don't need to track it anymore, but if you also tap View Details Online at the bottom, you can actually pull up the website of the tracking carrier directly to the page where you want to track the package. One really cool thing that you can do here is actually monitor the clipboard for packages, and when you go back into Deliveries, it will prompt you to track that package. So here I have a couple of tracking numbers on my clipboard. I'm going to copy one of them over. And now when I go back into Deliveries, you will see that it prompts me to track this package through FedEx. Really simple. I say add, and it brings up an add delivery sheet with that number already in the field. All I have to do is select the carrier, which I select FedEx, and then here I can give it a name. It's optional, but it does help when you're tracking multiple packages. And then once you hit save, it will add it to the list right there. And the nice thing is that it gives you a clear number on when it's going to be delivered. Very nice, very cool, and the app will auto update. I believe it checks in with the various services 2 or 3 times per day. Obviously, when you open the app, it will go ahead and refresh everything automatically. One very nice thing about this as well is that you can sync using iCloud, so you can have everything on your iPad and also your Mac all synced together, or using Junecloud, which is the developer's syncing service. You can have it notify you. You can sort them manually or automatically based on delivery date. You can have the items added to a calendar if you want, and also you can have your deliveries archived and clear that archive whenever you want. One very nice thing about Deliveries as well is the fact that you can reorder the deliveries right there by tapping that button, and you can drag them into whatever order you want. I personally prefer to have them in delivery order so that the items that will be delivered soonest are at the top. That is usually the default for the application. The other very nice thing about Deliveries is that there is a Today widget for your iPhone and iPad. So when you bring up the Today in Notification Center, you will see that your packages are actually listed here. And so you have these items here that have an exclamation mark, which means that there's an issue with that package. You have the high definition, this is an iPhone screen protector that's arriving tomorrow, and there's the AppIt test, which I put in, which is coming in 3 days. Very nice, very clear, very concise, and it is really great that you can track your packages and keep the status of them right from your notification center. Very cool stuff. The other really cool thing about this app is that it does integrate into Launch Center Pro, which I talked about on the prior version of AppIt. If you go into Launch Center Pro, there are a multitude of actions you can use to add packages to delivery status in one tap. It's really simple, it's great, and I can always go into that on a future episode. So that's going to do it for this edition of AppIt. I really appreciate all the comments and questions so far. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and let me know down in the comments what apps you think I should review next. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.